Okay, so another way of approaching this type of question is using something known as the table method. This is where you consider each of the individual pathways, their completion time, and then you provide the maximum reduction to each of the pathways here. Let's analyze the first pathway here, which is A, B, C, E, F, G, J, L. So we're considering this pathway right here. To find the completion time of this pathway, you simply add up all the numbers, 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. When you add all those up, that will be 29. And then you repeat the process, but now with a new pathway. So instead of going that way, maybe we do this, and we go there, then we come there, then we go there. And if we add up all of those numbers, we'll get 34. And then you continue, and you just keep on listing down all the pathways and their completion time. Once you've done that, you then want to provide the maximum reduction to each of your pathways. Remembering, you can only reduce C, D, G, H, and K, and each of these can be reduced by a maximum of 2 weeks. So if we come here now, I would say, all right, which of these can I reduce? Well, for the first one, I can reduce C and G. So that means I can reduce 2 weeks for C, 2 weeks for G. So that means I can reduce this one by a total of 4 weeks. So instead of 29, my new number is going to be 25. And then you continue. So for the next one, and of course you'd go a bit faster than me. For the next one, I can reduce C, G, and K. So C, G, and K, because they're all up here. So that means it would be 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. 34 minus 6 is going to end up being 28. So it's going to be 28 weeks. And now you just continue on your merry way here. So let me work a bit quicker. For the next one, it will be C, H, and K, C, H, and K. Then for the next one, it will be just B and G, B and G. For this one, it will be B, G, and K, B, G, and K. And then for the last one, it would just be D, H, and K. So D, H, and K. So now we would go through, apply the reductions. So here I've got 3, so I would reduce this by 3. I've got 3, so I would reduce it. 3 by 2 is 6. I would reduce this to 27. This one I've got 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. This 30 will end up becoming 26. This one here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 2 6s, 2 3s, sorry, I've got 3. 3 times 2 is 6. This will become 29. And then this one, I've got 1, 2, 3, so reduce it by 6. 34 minus 6 is going to become 28. What is my new minimum completion time? Well, it's going to be 29, because that is my biggest number there. So that means my answer here will be 29 weeks. 29 weeks. So as you can see, what we've done there is we've listed down all of our pathways. We've listed down the original completion time. We then applied the maximum reduction. So remembering 2 weeks for each of these. And that is how we have done it. And we got to 29 weeks there. So that is what we'll call the table method.